Hi girls and guys, where is Gelfand, Gelfand Realty, your broker in state of Florida, New York. Guys, today I would like to show a very attractive and nice apartment. It's 3-bedroom on Intracoastal. Guys, look at the view. This is most incredible view in Intracoastal. It is big Intracoastal canal, which is, you can see a lot of boats. We're in the middle of Sunny Isles and building called Porto Bellagio. Why it's catch my attention and I would like to share with you, because apartment gorgeous. It's 3-bedroom and 2 full bathrooms with the 2 parkings. And guys, apartment fully updated. So you want to see what kind of renovation you can get if you want to make it luxury, because apartment was made for self-use. It's not like flip or whatever. It's not cheap renovation. So it has flat ceiling. It was changed layout. So again, apartment updated most expensive stuff. I know you can make it more expensive, but listen, for my taste, I think it's gorgeous. And it has porcelain floor. It has glossy kitchen with the quartz countertops. Again, renovation was done for everything, nothing left from the building. Building 2003. A lot of people living in this building without any upgrades, but again, you can, but it's, you know, a lot of people want to come and to feel like it's their own very nice space. And again, apartments comes with the 2 parkings. Maintenance cheap, $550 only per month. So basically, to compare to other building, which is you need to spend $1,000, $1,200, it's really cheap. So it's 3-bedroom. It's belong to the best schools of Sunny Isles. So let's see master bedroom, and I will show you everything. Really good size. Again, it's only 1,250 square feet apartment, so it's not huge, but it can fit large family of 6 people easy. So this is master bedroom with a king size bed. Again, all windows facing canal, so you have breeze of the from the water. Again, it's in the middle of Sunny Isles, like I said before. And who wants to have it like vacation home or income property, you can rent it 3 times per year. So if you're gonna see, this is nicest shower from again stainless shower doors. Again, quality was done by test of the owner, and I think it's very good example of how it's need to be done. Kitchen was totally renovated and changed layout. Guys, quartz, gloss, all high-end appliances. And again, guys, I would like to hear your comments, because again, and question how much it cost. $529 only, $520,000, $529. Today it's offered on the market to sell. Again, if you wanna rent this property, you can rent this property roughly around $3,000 per month. But again, I think it's good time to buy, because market in Miami a little went down. So basically, this is the best time to purchase. Rates, if you consider mortgage, you can get mortgage, and rates very low. And it's, if you're gonna buy and put tenant, it's almost going to be covered by the rent payment. Guys, feel free to ask me questions. My name is Gelfand. I'm licensed real estate broker in the state of Florida, New York. I will be glad to answer all your comments in a professional way. My phone +1 646 431 8072. Visit our website, which is going to be below, and ask me questions, and my pleasure will answer for all of them. Guys, see you soon.